Hi, namaste, beautiful people. As you know, that my mission is to introduce you with the ideas and the thought process which allows you to dig deep and explore your supernatural nature in you so you can rise above in any given situation and condition, whether it is coronavirus and COVID-19, anything. And I promise you that I'll keep on bringing the guests who have inspired the world and who have impacted in a large way. So today, again, we have got our renowned astrologer, Vijay Goyal. Everybody knows Vijay. so, so no introduction required for Vijay. It's like he has gone beyond the introduction. You know all about Vijay. And today we are going to discuss very, special topic, which is like Holi is coming. So wish you a very happy Holi to all of you. And, and right now Vijay is going to talk about how, you can use the remedies on, Holi and all that. So Vijay, welcome to you in Rise Above once again.
Thank
I am
you,
so
and
grateful
welcome to
to
all.
you.
It is very nice again here on live with your friends, and really the show you are doing continuously for last so many months. I think you are doing continuously.
And
You are
today,
doing so.
Vijay, today is such a beautiful day because today I started my Rise Above series. It was
Okay,
today.
so you have done 365 days complete.
Yes, yes.
So today is the okay. I think I'm live. I am live properly here.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
I can see
So
you.
today is the
I can.
anniversary of your this Rise Above series, right?
Yes, yes, yes. And what a great occasion, to have you on this day. It's so auspicious for me to have you today on this day. So for me, it is a celebration, and Holi is also there from today,
Right.
12 o'clock. Tomorrow it will start. But this is like
Really, you have
big.
done a very hard work. This is really a very hard efforts you have done for continuously for 365 days. If anybody do some activity continuously for 365 days, that is the full rotation of sun. One rotation of complete one rotation of sun. 1 degree is equal to 1 day, and 360 degree of sun is equal to near about 365 days, right? So
Yes.
that event get basically it becomes a siddhi.
Oh,
It
I
becomes
am
a
a
siddhi.
student.
That event becomes a siddhi. Now, right above, basically anybody who will join this show, will surely get benefit from this thing. Rise above, rise above from your bad things, from your negative impression. This show is about to rise above from your negative impressions, right? So anybody who will join this show now onwards, then he is going to get the benefit of this positive vibes, because now
Oh,
is it is actually accumulated. One total cycle of sun has been completed. So now this show has the blessing of Lord Sun. Lord Sun is the,
wow.
yeah. Now this show has a blessing of Lord Sun, and Lord Sun is a source of all type of knowledge and blessing on earth, right? On every for everybody. It is a source of soul, right? It is a source of energy. It is source of everything.
It is a so
So
like you say source of soul. That means it defines automatically the soul's path. So it's
all type of energy, everything. See, Lord Sun is in Vedas. Lord Sun is defined as Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, all three forms.
Oh wow. Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's incredible.
So this show has the blessing of Lord Sun.
So means
This is
unconsciously I have done that. That was my conscious effort, but I didn't know that this is what you are talking about right now. That it has got now because it has completed one full cycle and 365 days of the show. That means it has got the blessing of Lord Sun. Wow,
yeah.
it's incredible. Wow, I'm so blessed to have this blessing and all that which you talk about, like Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. It's like all the energies are now it's supporting me to just, rise above. And you have seen my horoscope, and sun is in my, in my own first house, that is like a Lagna.
Yeah.
So does it
Uh,
have more? Means
I don't know why the voice has become very slow. Wait.
okay. Now,
Hello. You are getting my
ha.
voice clear?
Yes, yes, yes. Everybody, just let me know that are you
Yeah.
getting the voice properly or not. That will be, so I just wanted to know that everybody has got the. So let's start,
Let's start.
Vijay.
Yeah.
Let's start our journey with Rise Above. That you were talking about. Why? I just want to ask you why Holi is so significant in our, in astrology. Anyway, we know that it is a festival, Indian festival. Holi, Diwali. These are the main festivals. So, what is the significance of Holi, basically? Uh, you know. Uh,
Four Ratri, four Ratri, that is four Kal Ratri are important in our Sanatana Dharma, right? Out of four
okay.
Kal Ratris, this Holi is one of the Kal Ratris. Holi festival
Okay.
is one of the Kal Ratris. The four Kal Ratris are Diwali, Holi, Janmashtami, and Shivratri. These four festivals are known as the most significant festival of Sanatana Dharma. And in
So
these
right,
4 days, you have one of the best cosmic energy over the earth, right? One can get aligned with the cosmic energy. Anybody can get aligned in these four kalas very easily with the cosmic energy, with the cosmic universe, right? Any person can get aligned. So this Holi is also very important, and the period of Holi is tomorrow. This Kalatri is tomorrow. Playing Holi, when we play Holi, enjoy Holi, that is day after tomorrow. But for any
okay,
anushthan, for puja, for meditation, that Kalratri period, the best period is tomorrow. And
okay,
one of the best things happening with this Holi is that the Hasta Nakshatra is rising tomorrow.
oh,
Hasta
yes,
Nakshatra after 6 p.m. Tomorrow after 6 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time, right? IST.
correct,
After
correct,
6 p.m., approximately 6 p.m., Hasta Nakshatra will rise, and tomorrow is also Sunday.
okay,
Sunday, Hasta Nakshatra, and the auspicious day of Holi. All this combines into a very good muhurat to start any puja or any course, any anushthan, anything. It is one of the best time. Basically, for the mantras, if anybody
okay,
want to do mantra or anybody want to do any type of srot, any type of rituals, anushthan, right? Any type of anushthan from tomorrow onwards, then it is the best period to start. So
wow,
suppose if, many people do Grah mantras, all the mantra related to planets. There are popular Grah mantras. So if
okay,
people want to appease the planet, any planet.
Hmm.
If
Hmm.
in anybody, if a planet is very weak and they want to appease that
Hmm.
planet,
Hmm.
then
Hmm.
tomorrow is the best day to start. Even only doing mantras tomorrow from 6 p.m. Onwards to 2 3 hours. If anybody does mantras from 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. or overnight, complete night, it
Okay.
is the capacity of
Oh,
an individual.
okay.
Then that that mantra will get the energy that the result will come 1,000 times more, 1,000 times more. If he will do one mantra, he will recite one mantra, then it will become 1,000 mantras. The energy will be of 1,000. So it is the
Okay.
best time to do any mantra. So all must check their horoscope. They must see which planet is weak, and they must do minimum some mantras of the weak planet to appease that planet, to boost that planet, to make that planet positive. So tomorrow is the best day. This is
Okay.
one way of remedy. Second remedy is that if people are interested in stotras or chalisa, something like that. So, suppose in any horoscope, one can go for Hanuman Chalisa, or if someone wants wealth, then they can go for Kanak Dhara Sotra. Any any
Okay.
any Sotra related to Venus, right?
Okay.
If they
That
want
will be
Guru,
correct.
they can go for Guru mantras, right? Any or some general mantras like Shiva mantra, Gayatri mantra, or and Vishnu mantras, anything. So tomorrow is the best day. So for all spiritualist people, all people who are following the tradition of mantras, tomorrow is the wonderful day for them. They are waiting for this day. So this is very
Okay.
important.
For to start something,
Yeah,
mantra
tomorrow is
siddhi, which you call.
yeah. Second thing is that in Holi we have all type of this najar dosa. If you know najar dos,
Yeah.
what we say najar dos,
Nazar
black
dosh.
magic, like that.
Yeah.
If you have
Black magic. Yeah.
yeah, something like that. If
Huh.
anybody is affected with this type of problems, right?
Uh-huh.
Like tomorrow is the best time to get relief from it.
Hmm. I
Is the best.
remember Vijay when you are talking about the evil eye and all that. So
Yeah.
my dad used to, whenever I would get sick, so he will say, "Oh my God, the evil eye has gone, and somebody has put this thing," and then he will do that, chili and all that on me, and then
Yeah.
throw.
Yeah. That is the thing I have discussing with all Rashis. If we can put anything, any important material, it could be a chili, it could be a that we say many things, sarso, pili sarso, yellow mustard, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
There are many. Yeah, tell as per all this, and you just put round over your head and throw it over the holy, that holy which is burning.
Oh, wow, wow. So that means it will go whosoever has. So whosoever is just right now watching, Michael is there, and I'll just tell, anybody wants to show horoscope or any question, please be ready with your horoscope, and date of birth, time and place. So Vijay will tell you all about it. That will be wonderful. And what we just said, if you have got the evil eye, have got or not got, even if you have doubts, slightest of doubt, you just do this remedy and just throw it, and it will just wash away all the black magic from you and your family and all that.
This is
So,
one of the most powerful remedy on holy. Out of four Kal Ratris, this Ratri is basically for the all type of evil eye and black magic, to remove all type of evil eye and black.
oh wow, wow.
Yeah.
So, I just want to ask you, why this, in Holi there are two basic part. One is like burning the Holi. What is the significance of burning Holi? And then playing the next day Holi. So what is that? Astrologically, what is the significance? As we know, like I love to play colors and all that. That's like chai, okay, Holi is there, Holi, hai, Holi, and then we play colors and drip yourself. And because you have to have the sweets and all, that's amazing. But I just want to ask you, what is like significance as far as astrology is concerned, and how we can use maximum to these 2 days, and why these 2 days are kept for Holi?
Purnima is always celebrated. All 12 Purnimas are celebrated, right?
Correct.
And it is
Correct.
very important day. All Purnimas and Amavasyas are the most important day in our Hindu festivals, right? Because
Correct.
in both periods, Amavasya also and in
Hmm.
Purnima also,
Hmm.
mind is overburdened, right? Always mind is overburdened, because you will see that in sea, in ocean also, in Purnima as well as in Amavasya, there will be the lot of tides. Big tides will coming up in the oceans in this Purnima as well as in Amavasya. That is also happening in our mind. Same thing is happening in our mind. Right? Big emotional
Because
tides.
so it is the happy tide comes in during this time, and because it is Purnima, the full
All
moon.
type of tides. So we always celebrate Purnima. We always celebrate Amavasya in different forms, just to catch up the happy times and just to be positive. That is the main thing of it. And again, it is the victory over devil, right? It is a victory over devil. That is Prahlad is won over his devil sisters, right? He got burned up
Correct.
on the fire.
Yes.
So it is a victory over
Correct.
devil. So basically, here it is basically the emotional thing, emotional thought process. The person does not get distress. He must come out from all type of distress, all type.
Even try to
That is
burn.
basically the main use of
Yeah.
Holi. Uh, it is on Purnima, so this is only the main use. But here Sun is in Meen Rashi, so Meen Rashi is also very important. It is the Sun is basically in the ocean. Meen Rashi is
Hmm.
ocean.
Correct.
So
Correct.
Sun is into the emotional turmoil. It is into the emotional turmoil. The
Okay.
person is,
That.
his Atma is in the emotional turmoil. And Purnima is the biggest emotional turmoil.
Yeah, because the full moon is there, so automatically you feel, whether it is full moon or no moon, you start feeling that emotional outburst, whatever way it is. Yeah, and
So
some
I
people
think
get headaches also.
Holi has been, this is the main thing, because next, just after this month, next month will be the month of Sun will move into the Aries. That is the beginning of new life. This is the end of beginning. This is Meen Rashi, Pisces Rashi is the end of
Yes.
uh, cycle.
Yeah,
So
all the suffering, I think that is what it signifies, that all the sufferings are getting over now. Now from now onwards, because Aries, it will transit into Aries, so that means the
yeah, it
entire
is
month will
we are
be
burning up all the negativity
all the
through fire.
negativity. Yeah,
We are
and
burning up
Aries.
all the negativities through fire, because moon is in the water sign, right? Sun is in the
Yes.
water sign. Both planets
Yeah.
are in the water sign, and it is the big emotional turmoil. So by invoking fire, we are burning up all the negativity.
All the
That emotional,
negativity, big
all
emotional
the
turmoil.
emotional negativities. Therefore, it is the best period for removing all type of black magic and evil eye, because evil eye is basically it is a emotional negativity, it is a jealousy, it is the envy. I envy. What is evil eye?
Okay.
If
Yeah.
I am envy with anyone, then by seeing, just through by seeing anyone, I can put the evil eye, right? just by a thought,
Yes, yes, yes. Just by the thought, yes.
just
Just
by
jealousy. If somebody is jealous of you, he has to just look at you, and if you are very sensitive, you just catch it, and you are affected by the whole thing. You're
yeah. So
uh,
this, therefore, I think this Holi has been created by Rishi just to burn up all type of negative fire.
correct, correct, correct. And then next day we play Holi. We celebrate our victory. Like, okay,
Actually,
now we
Holi celebration is like apologizing each other. See, if
forgiving,
anybody,
forgiving. Okay.
it is not giving, it is not giving
Eh,
and taking. It's basically apologizing.
apologizing and forgiving whatever
Yeah, 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 yeah.
uh,
So that we
the
can come into the new friendship again. Just uh, ending up all type of negative emotion with everybody.
yeah, burn up the
Create a
and
new friendship.
start the new life, new.
Yeah.
That means like the whatever we have collected, the negative emotion from the entire year, or with anybody you are not friendly with, any one of it, just like you are burning every evil in that fire, which is like the fire signifies, you are just putting it, and then you are hugging your friend, all even the enemy. That is why I think we play holy with enemies also. Like, there is no enemy on that day. Specifically, whosoever comes, you put the color and you hug. And it is not, you in that day there is something magical about that day, that even you are not talking to that anybody, and somebody comes at that moment in time, you even don't have that thought process. This is magical, which I even realized, Vijay,
Yeah.
in my life.
Forgiving and apologizing, forgiving and apologizing are the two basic concepts of Holi. You forgive others for their mistakes, and we apologize others for
Yeah,
our mistakes.
our
So
mistake,
forgiving,
and
forgiving and apologizing is the basic concept of Holi. Therefore,
correct,
we
correct,
play.
correct. Holy.
So let's say first day we pray and next day we play. First day we are
We just
mentally cleansing ourselves. Tomorrow we will mentally cleansing ourselves in the good murata through mantras, and next day with the fresh mind we will play and have we cultivate
yeah,
friendship with everybody again. We are
correct.
cultivating even the
That is
long relationships which are broken for a year. This is the best time to reunite relations with others. Any type of
wow.
relations. This is the best time to reunite. That is the basic purpose of Holi.
Wow. So anybody who is listening, if you are not talking to anybody in talking time, this is the best time to, call up, or, connect with that person, because this is everything will just go away. It is just the magical energy of this day which makes it happen. So don't, keep yourself on the day. Just spread the love and that energy and fresh thought of mind, and just connect with those people. So you can be not only reunited with those people, but the love will increase, because this is Purnima. Whatever intention you will keep, it's just going to increase. It's just going to compound. That's what
Okay, now
I get.
quickly I will give some remedies for removing evil eye for few rasis just quickly.
Okay,
Then we will take some
let's learn.
queries if everybody
Yes,
is
yes, yes.
ready.
Yes, if somebody is like, if somebody is wanting to show you the, horoscope, let's start with the, you know, be ready with your everybody. I'm just telling you, with your date of birth, time, and place. If you have any question regarding your life, anything, you can ask right now. Vijay is going to see it and give you the answer. And before that, we will just continue what we are supposed to do is like the remedies. We are going through the remedies of each Rashi. If you are having that particular zodiacal sign, so just hear out, Vijay, and you can do on that day or tomorrow this the same remedy which Vijay is going to talk about. So let's
So
start with
I'm giving
Aries.
the general remedies first.
Okay,
For Aries sign, either moon is in Aries or the ascendant is in Aries. For Aries
or
sign,
sun,
no,
or
not
sun
sun,
is in,
not sun,
not sun. Okay,
only
okay,
moon or only two things,
or
not sun.
ascendant.
Yeah,
Okay,
or ascendant. Yeah.
okay,
Then they should they should bring the coconut, complete coconut, and they should rotate that coconut anti-clockwise over their head 7 times,
okay,
and
okay,
they throw that coconut over the holy fire.
okay, okay,
Coconut
okay.
helps
Help
to
Aries
remove any type of evil eye. For
for
Aries ascendant, moon is in Aries. Yeah.
okay, okay, okay. Great. That's fantastic. So anybody who is Aries can do this remedy. Coconut, just you have to just, rotate anti-clockwise around your head and then throw it in the fire, holy fire, and anything which is negative in your, around you, it just or evil eye, it will just go away. So black magic, nothing will affect you, and it will burn then and there in the fire. Yes,
Right.
yes, Vijay. And what
For
Aries?
and they can do for Aries Lagna for this period from 6 p.m. onwards tomorrow. They can go for Rahu Mantra, any type of Rahu Mantra or Devi Kavacham.
Devi
Any type of
Kavach or
Devi Kavacham.
Rahu?
For
Devi
Rahu,
Kavach.
they can go for Rahu Mantra. They can recite Rahu Mantra tomorrow
Okay,
after
what
6
is
p.m.
that? If what is the mantra Devi Kavach? What if you have
There are many Rahu mantras. They can search on the this Google. They can
Google?
search out. There's Om Ram Reem Rom Rahuye Nama.
Oh,
This type of. There
okay,
are many. Yeah, they can choose anyone which they like, and they
okay,
recite that
okay,
mantra. They recite that mantra at least for 2 hours at least.
okay, okay,
Then it will help them. Yes. Or
okay,
if they don't want to recite Rahu mantra, then they can go for Durga Kavach, Devi Kavacham.
okay. They
Durga,
can do both.
yeah. They can do both
They
also. Yeah.
okay. Okay, Devi Kavach and this. So what Rahu and Devi Kavach is going to do, Vijay?
They will because Mesh Rasi Rahu Mars is the Lord and it is with Rahu, so we have to appease Rahu.
Okay, so it's
Yeah.
okay. That is what.
For all Aries Lagna or for Aries sign, they are basically facing highest level of mental frustration.
Aries right now. Okay,
Right. Yeah. So this will help
okay,
to cool down their frustration level. It
okay,
will bring
okay. Because
peace. Right.
okay, because Mars and Rahu are together,
They,
and it
they
is
are
like a
facing many. They are also facing quarrel in their family because of mental frustration. Right. So
oh,
this
oh,
remedy will help them to relieve with them.
okay, okay. So the next,
Next is Taurus, Vrishabh sign. Taurus, Vrishabh Rasi. Moon in
okay,
Taurus or ascendant in Taurus. They can they can bring lal meat, red chili, lal meat,
red.
that complete red chili. Right?
Right now, the color of my dress, what my
Yeah,
dad used to do, red chili. Okay,
yeah. It is a very effective remedy for all types of evil eyes. Very effective.
Okay. So red chili with Taurus Lagna, you just have to have only the red chili, or you have to use
Only
the,
red chili is enough. They can take any more thing also, but red chili is enough. I'm giving
enough.
the specific.
So,
It is enough, and
so
they can
is it
pour on the
like,
fire.
okay, so is it like the same process, like 7 times around the head and then
Throw it in
anti-clockwise
the,
and just and
throw
put
it
it
in
in
the
the
oven.
holy, throw it in the holy. Okay, okay, great,
And they
great.
can, for Vishab Lagna, they can go for Saturn mantra. Mantra
Okay,
related to planet mantra.
Saturn mantra. Okay, okay.
Shani Chalisa also will help.
Okay, Chalisa also they can do after
Shani
6
Chalisa.
p.m. to for for two at least 2 hours,
2
or
hours,
if
yeah.
you
2 hours.
yeah
Actually, for
minimum.
any good thing, it needs 2 hours. For effective
Oh,
remedies, one has to be done for, one has to do for 2 hours at least.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So this is Taurus uh,
Now, Taurus,
Lagna.
now we move to Gemini.
Okay, yeah.
You please share this on your page. Share this video on your page. I think you have not shared on your page.
On
Where
my
you are
page it is,
presented.
yeah, it is there. It is there on my page, on my this.
No, where you have created the event. It is there?
Uh, no event. I have created event for this only.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You can just put it, or you share, because I have not seen only one share from you. I have seen, or I'll just share it in the groups also. Uh, you
Okay.
know,
Right, right. So
have you got it?
For Gemini, we can go for the thing is Jaifal, nutmeg.
Yeah. For
Yeah,
Gemini,
for Gemini,
Jai, huh,
Jaifal, nutmeg,
Jaifal,
Jaifal,
nutmeg.
nutmeg.
Yeah. Yes.
It is
So
nutmeg. Yeah.
yeah, you can go to just see the nutmeg, and nutmeg again the same thing.
Again,
You have to
same process.
just
Rotating anti-clockwise 7 times and throwing in the holy fire.
just
These are simple remedies.
Rana, it's so funny. So nut, if you are Gemini and Lagna, then just put have the nutmeg in your hand and 7 times anti-clockwise, just around your head. Rotate it and put it in the fire. So all the black magic, evil eye, negative energy will just burn out that day for you. Yeah.
And for they can recite the mantra for Mercury. It will help them all.
Okay. Anyway, they are the Mercury. So Mercury is the lord of
Ganesh mantra
Jap.
or Mercury or any Ganesh mantra, any Ganesh Sutra.
Okay. Ganesh mantra
Ganesh
also they can do.
Atharvashish. There is a one very beautiful sutra, Ganesh Atharvashish. They can recite that in Ganesh Atharvashish. That is a very beautiful
Okay.
sutra.
Ganesh Atharv. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So they can recite. Okay. So, so that will be
Now we are
wonderful.
going for next sign is
Now,
Cancer, Kark
yeah.
Rashi.
So yeah. So that's our
Yeah. So that is Pili Sarso, yellow
what?
mustard. Pili
Yellow
Sarso.
mustard.
Pili
Pili
Sarso
sarso.
seeds.
Okay.
Yeah. Pili Sarso seeds.
Okay. So
It is
I'll
very
just
simple.
do.
If you will put in your hand and if you will claw, it will come out from your hand. It is very simple.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pili
It's
Sarso.
very slippery. Yes, sir. So yeah.
Yellow mustard seeds and same process, rotating over your
Okay.
head
And
and throwing into the fire.
okay. Okay. Great. So that will be a great remedy for and
And then
what? What mantra you? Huh?
Mantra is for Mars. Any Mars mantra or Hanuman Chalisa.
Okay. Why Mars mantra for cancer? Mars mantra or because Mars is depleted in cancer?
Yeah, Mars is basically afflicted. The Raju planet of Cancer is afflicted. So Mars mantra or Hanuman Chalisa or Sundarkand, they can recite Sundarkand also, Hanuman Chalisa also, or any
Oh,
Mars mantra.
okay. Okay.
Yeah.
On that day. Okay. Okay. So that is
Now,
for cancer. Now Leo. Anybody is who is Leo ascendant can just see.
now we are,
Yeah.
now for next sign is Leo.
Yeah.
For Leo, the item is honey.
Okay, honey. Okay. So anyone who is Leo
How
ascendant.
they can take that dry cow dung, na, which is burned on the Holi. That is
Okay.
a dry cow dung. Yeah, in Hindi it is called known as uble. Uple.
Okay, cow dung. Anyway, on that day, the cow dung that
Dry,
in earlier,
yeah, dry
they
cow
they
dung. And put the
they
honey
they
over it.
would
Put the honey over
put the
it.
hand. Okay,
Put the
not to
honey
eat,
over it. Then take it and throw it over the fire.
not to eat. Cow dung.
That is a dry cow. You know, in Holi, only dry cow dung is used.
Yeah, in
Wooden
Holi,
cow dung.
so
These two things are
yeah,
used in
yeah, cow
every
dung.
way. Even in my home, lot of shapes,
Okay.
different shapes of cow dung has been prepared. Lot
Oh,
of
days days
five kilo of
together.
cow dung.
And put it in the
But
fire. What is the
in,
significance
cities it
of
is very
that?
difficult to
Why?
get. In cities it is very difficult to get cow dung. Still, we have collected and we have
Oh,
prepared, dried.
oh,
We have made different shapes and we dried over last 5, 6, 7 days. It is dried over sun.
oh, wow.
Now it is
Wow.
ready.
So what is the significance? Why? Because I know this is our tradition, and I don't think so now in in cities people follow, but the people who are traditional they do this thing. So what is the significance of that cow dung
The
specifically?
cow dung is basically a sattvic. It does not catch bacteria, any type of pathogen, any type of virus. Cow dung. That should be of desi cow, Indian cow, pure Indian
Okay,
cow.
okay,
That
okay,
is basically so pure that it does not catch up any type of bacteria. It is basically bacteria virus repellent.
okay. That
In
is why.
all other dung, any type of all other dungs that will create bacteria and viruses, right? That will build up fungus and all these things, pathogens and everything. But cow dung
Okay.
is just a reverse thing. It repels. It repels bacteria, viruses, pathogens, fungus,
So
everything.
So
Even
that means for coronavirus also this is a good remedy to remove.
it helps to burn out all type of negative virus, all type of. It has been proved. There is one
Oh,
website, Yagopathy. One can visit there, and they have given many proofs of Havan. See, Holi is the big Havan. Holi is not a small
yes, it's a big, huge oven actually in the entire, you know, you are upside down.
Havan. Wait.
Yeah,
I think I am. Uh,
yeah. Now, you, you're yes. Okay.
yes, yes.
So
Okay.
this is Yeah, this is what it is like, this is, yeah, it's a big havan in the entire country, because nobody does it in usually, the entire year. But this is like, even if you are not doing, the entire India, specifically in entire India, is just celebrating, or the people who are, in different parts of the world, Indian culture, tradition, they must be doing in their own small ways, that I'm sure. This is incredible. And I just love to tell you that right now, Vijay is here. So please, if you have any question regarding your horoscope, so please just type your date of birth, time, and place. So Vijay will tell you about whatever you have got the question. Please just put the question here. Yeah. So this is for our Leo Lagna or Leo ascendant. Now we come to Virgo. So what is for Virgo?
Virgo. Next sign is
Yeah,
Virgo.
correct.
Yeah. For Virgo, it is very easy. They can take the red holy color. We have the colors. They can take the red holy color in their
Okay,
hand and they can throw it over the fire.
okay,
That's
okay,
it.
okay, okay. I think you have not said about what Leo ascendant should do the mantra on that day.
Which mantra? Please repeat.
Uh, Leo
Oh,
ascendant,
for
what
Leo, for
mantra?
Leo, it is Mars mantra. Yeah, again,
Same
same
as,
as
okay,
Cancer. Mars mantra और हनुमान चालीसा और सुंदरकांड
okay,
for
any offer.
Leo. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So for now for Virgo ascendant,
Virgo, the item is red color, red holy color.
okay. So holy color, they can use, if you are anybody is Virgo ascendant, just use red holy color, and
Virgo ascendant
just,
or moon in Virgo. Yes.
yeah, and
They can
rotate
take that
around
holy color over their head,
seven.
throw it over the fire.
So all the negativity, all the negative evil eye, black magic, whatever it is, just will wash away for you,
Yes.
and you will just come as, fresh. You can start
It
the
is
fresh,
cleansing.
and the
It is
fresh
a simple
energy you
cleansing.
will feel.
Yeah. The
Okay.
Manomay course. There is a course, Manomay course, Pranmay course, Anmay course, Manomay course. There are 5 courses. Vigyanmay
Yes.
course. Yeah,
Yes.
this cleansing basically cleans the Manomay course and Pranmay course. These two cleansing are done with this all this remedy.
With the red color, holy color, that all
It's
these.
all
Okay.
whatever we are throwing in the fire, it cleans the Pranmay course as well as Manomay course.
Okay, okay. So Pranmay Kosh and Manomay Kosh, it cleanses. Pranmay Kosh is like, it is about our soul, that
No, Pranmay
uh,
course is about your energy. That whatever you
energy.
are breathing,
Okay,
it creates pran in your body. Right?
so that
Breathing
purifies.
that purifies the pranmay course as well as it purifies the manomay course, your thinking capacity.
Okay, the
Mano,
negative energies of, yeah, of emotions and all that, it just cleanses up. And Pranmay, and especially because during coronavirus, this is the most affected area, because Pranmay Kosh is
and
affected.
manomay course, both things.
So yeah, so everybody, I think everybody who's watching must do these remedies, because it is going to help them to cleanse their, pranmay kosh, manomay kosh, especially pranmay kosh, for this virus which is we are affected right now. If anything is there, it will just clean it up. It clear up
Yeah.
from your system, as well as the negative energy and thought process. It will renew your, you know system
Yeah.
completely.
Now the
So
mantra for Virgo Lagan is Venus mantra. any
Venus.
mantra, planet, yeah, planet Venus mantra, Lord Venus, or
Oh,
any Lakshmi mantra, Lakshmi mantra
oh,
like
oh,
Kanak
wow.
Dhara, Sri Suktam.
Okay,
Anybody
so
who
all.
needs help can recite this for 2 hours. One of
So,
the best remedies. One of the best.
yeah, so one of the best. So, only you are giving this mantra to Virgo, only Virgo is going to
This is
everyone.
specifically for Virgo, but if any other person want to do it as a general remedy, they can go for it. See,
Okay,
generally,
means,
anyone can do anything in this good muhurta. This is such a precious time. So, if
that,
somebody has any disaster, suppose somebody is facing debts, lot of debts, loan
depth.
and debts,
Oh,
then they can go
okay,
for this Mars mantra or Sundarkand, right?
okay,
Mangal, Rin Mukti Stroke, this type of general remedies also they can do.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
That's that's
They
that's
can do
that's very
what they are facing, actual what they are facing. They can customize their remedies themselves.
okay. Wow, wow, great. So now we come to Libra.
Libra, yeah. For Libra, it is, I am just giving a very beautiful remedy.
Okay.
Loban, Loban, frankincense.
Yes.
It is a frankincense. And it has such a good flavor. Smell is
Yes,
such a
it's
sweet smell.
beautiful, and especially in Yagya and Havan, you use Loban a lot. You put it, and it's just like the entire atmosphere is just full of fragrance and beautiful,
Yeah, it
smell.
cleans up the lungs. Loban and Google. Google, second thing is Google. Google is basically, in English, it is known as Chemifor.
Not the Google, Google. Oh, how
It is not
am I
Google.
supposed to burn Google if we burn Google? Who is going to ask the question in Google? So this
So
is so funny.
Loban is easily available. Frankincense, it is easily available. So it helps to cleanse up the lungs. Its smell is so sweet and it cleans up all the lungs problems, all type of lungs problems. It
Okay,
cures
okay.
tuberculosis. It is very powerful. If everybody,
Tuberculosis. Wow,
yeah,
it is that powerful. So
all
these
type of
remedy.
all type of cold, even in this coronavirus, if insect, one can sanitize the home through this lumen. It is one of the
Oh,
best sanitizers. It is a organic sanitizer and it cures also. It will not only remove the virus. It will cure if you are affected by the virus. It will cure your lungs. It is such an
wow.
effective remedy.
Vijay, you should have told in the beginning. Bring
My
Loban,
idea
everybody
comes
in
so
India.
slowly, slowly.
There is no slow.
Very,
Now it is. I heard that more effective than coronavirus has come, so it is going to affect, and especially in Mumbai city, a lot of the cases are increasing. So I think this is the best remedy, and whosoever is listening to these remedies, please do these remedies because it is going to cure your pranmay course, lung capacity, it will increase, and it is just the automatic. You don't have to do any pranayam or all those things, processes, and go to the hospital for 15 days, spending your money.
if one can just use Loban for daily, every evening in their house. Yeah, Loban fumes every evening in their house. So it's just for Libra, what I am saying, they can take the Loban in their hand, rotate, and put on the fire. And second thing is that they can bring the fire, holy fire, in their home, right?
Oh,
That
wow.
coal, burning coal. right? Burning
Okay.
wood, that burning wood pieces or that cow dung pieces in their home, and put the loban there and spread it all over the that fumes, loban fumes, spread it all over the home.
Wow. Wow.
All over
Wow.
the
Wow.
That is the most
Wow.
best remedy for Libra, and it is also the general remedy. Both things.
Gen-
Having
what do you call in Loban in English? If my foreign friends are
frankincense,
there, huh?
frankincense,
Frank
frankincense, frankin,
Frankinson.
yes,
Oh, okay, Frankinson.
frankincense. Yeah, frankincense. There is a very beautiful
Sense.
perfume,
Frankincense.
frankincense. Yeah,
Okay, so you can just bring it and every day in your house just burn it, or during this time it is good remedy. And I think it just removes mosquitoes around the house.
there no, incense sticks of Loban are also available. Incense sticks of Loban.
Okay, so that also one can use it. Okay,
Yeah,
fantastic.
that
Okay,
agarbatti,
so
no Loban are available in market.
okay,
They
and
can use
okay, and what is the mantra remedy for them?
what the specific remedy for Libra is that they should bring the fire home, that holy fire. That it should be a holy fire, right? And put the Loban and spread it all over the home. Or and secondly, they can rotate that Loban and put in the holy fire. These two they can do. This is one of the best remedy.
Okay.
And the mantra for Libra, I have not noted down the mantra. Let me check. For Libra, I think it is again Lakshmi mantra. Yeah, they can go for Lakshmi
Lakshmi
mantra.
mantra. Lakshmi
Yeah.
mantra.
Venus,
Okay.
yeah.
Kanak Dhara Srotam or any Lakshmi mantra can do.
Kanadhara,
And
Sri Suktam.
Okay. Shri
Yeah.
Sotram. Okay. Okay. So, what is the mantra? So, Shri Sotam Om Shrim Shrim Shrim.
Sri Suktam. Sri Sukt. It is from Ved.
Shri. Okay. Shri Suktam. They can. Shotam.
Kanadhara
Shotam.
is from Shankaracharya. It is written by Bhagwan Shankaracharya, Lord Shankaracharya.
Okay.
Sri
Okay.
Suktam is from yeah, Lakshmi. It
Okay.
is one of
Okay. Any one
it is
of
said,
it you can.
it is said that by rishis that Sri Suktam basically gold making formula is encrypted in this Sri Suktam.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
If anybody can explore that Sri Suktam, then he will know how to make gold.
Oh
You
wow.
know, in India,
You didn't
India,
say
Samana tradition, they used to make gold. Yeah.
you didn't say that. So everybody should, whatever mantra or remedies you are doing, you just do Shrotam, Shuktam or
Shri.
Shrotam.
Shri
Shri,
means well, right? Shri, yeah. Shrimati, Shri.
Shri, Shri. That is why in India,
Shrimati,
with
Shri.
everybody, Srimati, Shriman, Shri.
Shriva, yeah. Suktam. Suktam means verses. Verses.
Suktam,
Suktam.
Suktam, Suktam.
Suk,
So,
Suktam.
uh,
Suk means verse. And Shlok. Shlok verse is Suk. Yeah. Shri Suktam.
yeah,
That's I think 16 verses I think there are. I forget now.
six,
There are 16 verses.
16 verses. So how many
16
times
verses.
how many times
One
one should
sixteen.
do that?
Yeah.
Once is okay. Once is okay, or how many times? How many times or once is okay?
At least 11 times, at least minimum.
Minimum
See,
11 times.
I am giving you the 2 hour. I am not giving you the count number. I am giving you 2 hours.
2 hours, how
So
many you can do?
one suktam will take 10 minutes. Reading
Uh, so,
one complete suktam will
so
take
means
10
it is going to anyway take 2 hours to finish your 11 mantras and all that. Yeah, almost correct. So now we come to Scorpio.
So now we are going for
Yeah, Scorpio. India is just celebrating all the people. Yeah. Scorpio for
Scorpio.
Scorpio, what it is? What?
Scorpio, the item is ajwain. Ajwain means
Aj
carom seeds. Carom seeds.
Carom
Ajwain.
seeds. Okay. Okay. Carom
Yeah.
seeds. Okay.
So
Okay. Carom
they can
seeds.
take the carom seed, rotate over the head and throw over the fire.
Mm-hmm.
Tej patra. Tej patra. I don't know what is the English name of tej
Tej.
patra. Tej
Tej.
patra. Yeah. We use in sambar
Okay.
and idli. Sambar. Tej patra is used. South Indian dishes mostly in all.
Tej Patta.
Tej patra is
Uh,
used.
they use
Garam
not
masala.
only that,
Only
no,
garam masala tej patra. Yeah.
North Indians use a lot
Yeah.
the Tej Pat, yeah, you know, in
Tej patra
also
actually is a ingredient. It is known as Cinnamonum tamala. Cinnamonum tamala. Tej patra.
okay, okay,
Cinnamonum tamala. I am just googling out that name.
name,
Cinnamonum tamala.
name,
It is a leaf.
okay,
Yeah. It is a dried
okay.
leaf.
So if you could
Ajwain,
just
ajwain carom seed is the best. Carom
carom
seed.
seed is best remedy, and I find
You can
carom
go
seed
for the
very
Mars
effective.
mantra or Hanuman Chalisa, Mars mantra
The
for
same, okay, like okay, Mars mantra, because Scorpio it is the ruler of Mars, so Mars mantra would be best for them. Okay, and next,
next is
Sagi, Sagittarius,
Sagittarius. Sagittarius ascendant or moon in Sagittarius. Dhanu Lagna.
Moon is Sun,
Dhanu
Dhanu
Rashi.
Lagna, correct,
Now it
correct.
is again Pili Sarso, yellow mustard seed. The item is
Oh,
yellow mustard seed.
okay,
And
okay.
same. And the mantra is Surya mantra.
Oh wow, okay.
And it's Aditya
Sun.
Hriday Sotam. Aditya Hriday Sotam is a powerful mantra for them.
Actually,
Aditya
this is so. Hirashut, I tell you, very, this is such a powerful mantra. I remember this, once I had some, when I started hearing this Aditya Sutam, oh my God, I felt like so amazing by just listening to it. For a couple of days, I did this thing, just I didn't know what's going to, but I started getting good results. So all of a sudden, things started happening for me, and I started getting the project, and the things which were stopped, all of a sudden started, from where the people
creates
were coming.
opportunities. It creates opportunities. If anybody will do Aditya Hriday Sotam, if he is stagnant in their life, they are not finding any new opportunities, then tomorrow they can do this Aditya Hriday Sotam for 2 hours. They are definitely going to get the opportunity, new career, anything. If they find themselves very stagnant, this mantra Aditya Hriday Sotam is the powerful mantra. Very powerful.
Yeah, very powerful mantra. I realized this about Aditya Shrotam. Just
You
and
will
listen.
start recognizing, you will get recognized in your society. You start
Yes,
getting recognized.
immediately. It
Yeah.
it is it is it is. I can vouch for this mantra immediately, because it automatically creates. All of a sudden you will say, from nowhere things start moving.
Yeah.
This
So
is what
therefore,
happened during that time.
if one will get recognized, then only he will get opportunity. Right?
Yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely. So this is
One of
amazing.
the best mantra. Aditya Hriday Sutram is the best mantra for any opportunity. So
Okay,
Pili Sarso, yellow mustard seed, and Aditya Hriday Sutram
they
for
should
Dhanu Lagna,
just
Sagittarius
okay.
Lagna. Now we move on to Makar.
Yeah, yeah. So the same thing you have to do, rotate around the, yellow mustard seeds around your head and put it in the fire. So all the evil eyes, everything, whatever negative energy kills it. So this is, and Aditya Srotam or any Mars mantra you can do during this time. So this is very effective because if you are feeling stuck, then it just opens up. So this is for Sagittarius right now, and now
Now
Capricorn.
we are moving to Capricorn.
Yes.
For Capricorn, it is turmeric. So now we are going
Yeah.
for
Haldi. Okay. Okay.
haldi. Turmeric dipped in the honey. You can dip turmeric. You can take a turmeric that solid turmeric and dip it into the haldi and
Honey.
round over that and throw it over the fire.
Okay. Whenever you talk about honey, I said, "Oh my God, this is so delicious and all that." First, you brought the cow dung, but I think haldi one can eat. But this is like a solid haldi. You said solid
Yes.
haldi. I thought like I'll put.
If anyone is suffering from any type of inflammation, any type of bacteria or virus, any type, even corona or some other also, any type of pain, they can take the good quality of yellow turmeric powder, good quality yellow turmeric, original. That should be a original and good quality.
Okay.
And just put the honey over it and just
Okay.
take it.
Eat it. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Eat it.
eat it
Oh wow. Finally,
like
I
ice
can eat
cream.
honey.
Eat it like a ice cream.
Like ice cream, you can eat it now. Fantastic. So this is incredible. This is for Capricorn ascendant.
Yes, yeah. In
Yeah.
within 3 days, he will get cured.
Oh wow.
Within,
Wow.
yeah, this is very powerful antibacterial, antiviral medicine. Very powerful.
Yes.
Anti
Yeah.
inflammable,
Yeah.
antipyretic, everything. All in one.
Yeah.
Ramba. He can
Ramban.
cure your throat immediately. Throat, anything. This is the best medicine for all, especially for coronavirus. Best. So
Correct.
for
And
if any Capricorn Lagna is facing, then first he throw this over the fire to take the blessings. Then after coming home, he can eat it. Both.
but first you have to throw it in the fire because all the negative energy and all that it just washes away, and after that you can eat it also. Like I love to eat, so I would do that. But one thing I realize is, Vijay,
You
about the
can
whole
put
thing.
this combination with milk also. Put turmeric into milk and honey. Milk, honey, and turmeric. This is the best formula. Easy formula to drink, and they can drink this. This
Yeah, the
is the
warm milk with honey and this turmeric. Yeah, I realized, whenever I used to have, I have got this coughing problem a lot. So my dad used to give me this honey and this turmeric in the hot milk. I have to just
hot milk.
drink the
Hot
hot.
milk. Yeah,
Yes,
hot milk.
hot milk. And not even the warm, it is like a hot milk, and putting turmeric. And how much turmeric, how much turmeric you would put? The big spoons, like it is not, it
Yeah, it
doesn't
should be one
remain there.
tablespoon. Yeah, it should be minimum 5 grams. 1 tablespoon.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
is huge. It's a huge amount. It's like only you are drinking the turmeric
Put lot
virtually.
of honey also. You can use lot of honey. If you are thinking that it is not tasting good, then use lot of honey. Put 5 tablespoons of honey.
Yes, yes. I think we have got this because of this medicine issue. We started avoiding our own our own methods, which are like we have got everything in our kitchen, everything in Ayurvedic. It's so simple. Just the I remember when I was talking to you just few days back, and you said just I had a fever and this corona virus, this thing, and you had and for so many days it was not going, and no medicine was working on you. It was high fever, and you just took. just the tulsi leaf. The
Yeah.
just the basil leaf has done the magic,
That's it.
and
I
it
told
just
you. Yeah.
yeah.
In one day it was gone. Yeah.
And in one day, he was suffering for with fever for the last 7 days, and in one day, just taking basil leaf, it just cured
I took,
him
yeah.
completely. Yeah,
It was, I took very large quantity. There was 100 leaves, 70, 80
yeah.
leaves.
So you have to just the same thing you have to do with haldi also with turmeric, but but the matter of fact, we have got everything.
Yes.
And these are and this is like these medicines just cures us rather than it just it has got any side effect, but it just heals our body. It gives us more energy rather than just
It does not
just like
suppress. It basically cures. Our Ayurvedic medicine basically cures. It does not suppress the disease. It cures the disease from root.
it cure
Yeah.
it cures and gives you the energy, and it gives you the strength. It is it is more beneficial. So I think what Vijay is telling, all the remedies, you just must go, just do it, just with blind faith, because this is going to give you amazing results, and I can tell you this thing. Now we go to
Aquarius.
uh,
Kumbh Lagna.
Aquarius, Kumbh Lagna, yes.
So Aquarius, actually the problem is at home. For Aquarius sign or for Aquarius ascendant, the problem is at home. So they should bring the ash of Holi,
Okay.
or they can bring the fire, and after the fire will completely burn out, it will the ash will remain. Then they put that ash in water, or put some
Okay.
Ganga Jal there, any holy water, Ganga Jal or any river water. Mainly Ganga Jal is the holy water in for North India, right?
Okay.
And they clean that home with that water, or that sprinkle that water all over the home.
Yeah.
They
I
sprinkle
remember
everything
Vijay. Yeah.
all over the home. Then
Yeah.
it will just remove the negative energy which is built up in the home.
I think
So obviously they have
every
to.
household does this thing. I think because I remember my dad would go to wherever it was burning. He would just bring the ashes home, and what you are talking about, he would just sprinkle all around the house with the whatever water or Ganga Jal, whatever it is, just purify it, and then in the house. I think in Indian houses they do it. I don't know, but
Yeah,
I
we do.
have seen it.
We do.
My dad doing it.
Yeah. Yeah. We also do it. Yeah.
Yeah. So
We
this
bring we
bringing
bring that
bring ashes.
we bring fire in our home. We burn loban, and we cook papad. We cook papad over the fire
Papad
and
over.
take it
Yeah.
as a prasad.
Wow. Oh, incredible. you you just papad becomes a prasad.
Papad,
Huh?
roasting papad is basically doing the Jupiter in good position, making the Jupiter good.
Oh, is
If
that?
anybody is
Wow.
having Jupiter is afflicted by Mars, just roast the papad by on this holy fire. It will help
Oh,
them out.
wow.
See,
Oh,
all these
wow.
rituals are basically all rituals are connected with some planets. When we do something, some good things happen automatically.
Correct. Rituals
Yeah,
have got
all
the
yeah.
power in them. Yes, absolutely, you're right. And you have not said, means I forgot to ask you what is the mantra for
Mantra is Lakshmi.
for Capricorn we
Very
have not given. Huh?
Lakshmi mantra.
Capricorn.
Lakshmi. Venus.
For
Venus.
Capricorn also Venus mantra they should do. Okay. And for Aquarius.
Actually, all Aquarius are facing lot of trouble in their home. Very too much negativity is there in their home. Too much. They are fighting each
Yeah.
other or having some type of jealousy with each other, no communication in the family. This type of situation is created over all Aquarius signs and ascendants. So this will help. This remedy will help them.
Okay,
This is a very
the powerful remedy. Okay, okay, great. So,
last one is
yeah,
last one is Pisces.
and mantra for Aquarius is the same, Venus mantra? What?
Last one. Yeah, Venus.
Venus mantra for them also the same thing. Okay, because Saturn
For
is the
for yeah, both Capricorn and Aquarius, Venus mantra will.
okay, Venus mantra they should do. Okay, all right. So next, the last one, and
Last one
it's
is
like
Pisces.
Pisces.
Yeah, Pisces,
Yeah.
ascendant or moon Pisces.
Right now, like you said, in Pisces, the sun is there, and the
Yeah,
moon is also there in the yeah.
Holi is in Pisces. Yeah, basically
Holi is
Holi.
in the Pisces, so a lot of turmoil. Basically, for everybody, it is this energy is playing a big role. The turmoil in everybody's life somehow. So how
Yeah.
this is like, this is, I think, this remedy which right now Vijay is going to tell, it is, I think, for everybody also, would be beneficial. So what
This
is
this all remedy can be done by everybody as per situation, and I am giving the specific. It can be used either specifically or in general manner. Right.
okay? So what is
So
for
for
Pisces?
Pisces, the best remedy, I think, the chickpeas, hara chana, that
Oh,
we tie up that syrups, that small plants of uh, that chickpeas, hara chana. You know,
okay, yeah,
we
I
just
know,
tie
because
up the plant
in
and we
Holi,
roast over the
burn
fire. We roast
in
over the fire,
Holi.
right? We roast over
Yes,
the fire.
yes, yes. I know, and
That
then we
remedy
eat.
is for Pisces. That is a pure remedy of Pisces. And we bring that roasted chickpeas and we eat. Everybody eats, right?
In the house. Yes, yes. I remember that thing. You go and burn it and then bring it home and just eat it, and it tastes so delicious. You just wait for that. And my dad was there, so these benefits were there for me. I just didn't know now, because now you're telling me. So you used to do all sorts of stuff, and I just used to love these things.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So
So
this
the
is
same thing, they have to just rotate and
yeah,
then put in the
yeah.
fire.
They can rotate down their head and roast that thing. That is going to help now. They can collect
Okay.
some green cheese, the green cheese in the hand, and they can rotate and throw it over the fire. That will also help.
Oh, wow, wow. And eat it if you can bring it back home. Or just take something which is like doesn't burn in the fire, just take it in the fire, roast it in the fire, and bring it back. That's the best way rather than throwing it. How selfish I am. And what is the mantra, Vijay, for them?
For Guru mantra, any Guru mantra or
Any good.
Gayatri mantra, yeah, or Gayatri mantra.
Okay, wow.
Gayatri
Okay.
mantra, Guru mantra, and Aditya Hridaya Sutra. Anything.
Okay, the sun mantra also, because sun is double
One
right
mantra will
now.
also work.
Okay, the sun mantra also they
Jupiter
can
related
do.
mantra, any Jupiter related mantra. Oh,
Aditya Srutam.
Gayatri mantra is also very effective. Very, very effective.
Yeah, yeah, Gayatri Mantra is very powerful. It is said like one of the most powerful mantra is Gayatri Mantra. So this is amazing. So we had gone through the entire remedy, this thing, and I think we even people would have with their horoscope. I think we already crossed our mark, and for people we
Yeah,
will specifically keep the other day for especially
I think
what.
in 1 2 days we again come up with this session because this time we have missed the question hour. Right? So in the
Correct.
next session, in coming 2 3 days, also we will repeat this question hour session again. Today
Okay. Okay.
already, yeah, in 2 3 days.
Yeah. Today.
I will let you
Yeah.
know. Yeah.
So okay, so we will come back. So now you know that Vijay is here, back after so long in our channel. That is why people were not, they must be thinking like they are going to watch my face, so they can watch it anytime. uh, but now Vijay is here, so just keep an eye on the post. In 2 3 days we will come back with the uh, uh, with the same thing. We will take your questions, and it will be great session. So thank you so much, Vijay, for
Thank you.
giving us such a precious time of yours. And I just love the entire session. And please, please, I just want to request every one of you to do these remedies. And I can vouch these remedies are so powerful. They are amazingly powerful, and you will just see the results when you literally just do it. Just don't think about it, what Vijay has said. Just do these remedies. You will not be affected even coronavirus and all that negative energies. You will just, and at this time these remedies are all the more important to do because of the situation we are going through, and they are so powerful. And do the mantra, do the meditation, because we need this right now for ourselves. So thank you
Thank
so
you
much,
and happy
and
Holi to all.
happy Holi and play
Happy
Holi,
Holi to
everybody.
all.
Happy Holi, Vijay, to you, and have fun, everybody. Thank you so much, and I love you, and I'll see you in Rise About tomorrow in Holi. Um, so love you. Take care. Bye. Thank you so much, all of you, and just please follow this session. We are already over the time, so never forget one thing, just mantra, that we are supernatural, we are magical. Just create the magic tomorrow and have the most amazing day on Holi. Love you. Happy Holi. Bye. Take care. Good night.